AeroPress Redux. Welcome back to the lab at Kaffa Roastery. AeroPress Brew Guide. AeroPress is a very versatile piece of equipment and you should always have one at home. It's good for travel, but also good for just whip up some coffee for you and a friend. If you have friends, so it's nice to have friends. It's 17 grams and 250 grams of water. I will start this brew guide by saying AeroPress is super versatile, so definitely experiment. Start with this recipe and then you can just bang out all kind of different ones, coarser grind size, longer brew times. Different coffees work different ways, so do try always. And if you find something that really works, go into the AeroPress Championship. So here we got a little AeroPress kit, coffee already weighed, funnel. We need to get our paper filter here, stick it in, get it even in there, lock it in. This is an important part. You want to rinse it so you can warm up the AeroPress at the same time as you rinse out all that paper chase. So drop the water in there, let it drip. While we drip, we grind. This grind size is a little bit coarser than V60, but finer than regular filter coffee. Fresh ground, of course. There we go. This time I'm using a metal server to plunge into. Check the Coffee Brew Guide blooper reel for why you don't use a glass one, because they do break, actually. So first we're going to use our funnel. Keeps the coffee straight in the middle so it doesn't get all on the sides, which is really annoying. So funnel it in there. Classic AeroPress. There we go, 17 grams of coffee. That goes there. Funnel goes there. Now we're ready for water. When you're doing the water, make sure you're pouring the water evenly because like all the coffee needs to be in contact with water, so it's extracting all at the same time. So first we're going to pour a little bit to get it wet. Then we're going to stir it, and then we're going to pour the rest. So timer on. First amount of water goes in. We're spinning, we're wetting. So it gets pretty full. About halfway up, I take a little pause. Quick stir just to make sure everything is wet, and then into the cup. You will see a lot of different stirring techniques in other brew guides, and those are good, but for this one we keep it simple. Then you lock in the plunger. Once you lock in the plunger, you'll notice that it stops dripping through the bottom. We've created a vacuum. Now we're brewing. So we're going to wait 1 minute and 20 seconds, and we'll plunge. Now we've waited 1 minute and 20 seconds. And we're going to press it out. So the 1 minute 20 seconds is like the full brewing time, and then your press is going to be nice and slow. It's going to be about 20 seconds. So we're going to have a total time of 140. The slow press is so that you don't squirt a whole lot of coffee out the sides, because the paper filter is kind of only on the bottom. So in order to get less grit in the cup, we're going to go nice and slow. Alrighty. You can hear it dripping. You don't need to press hard, you just kind of like lay some weight on it. But then once you hear the gas go at the bottom, then you're all set. Little drip there. This goes over here. And we're ready to go. Grab a cup, call a friend, and here's your coffee, ready to drink.